చిన్న కథ కాదు and Baby Harika for Mercy Killing. Best Story Writer Sri Siva Paladugu music for Music Shop Murthy. Best Screenplay Writer Sri Venki Atluri for Lucky Bhaskar. Best Lyricist Sri Chandra Bose for Raju Yadav. Best Cinematographer Sri Vishwanath Reddy for Gami. Best Editor Sri Naveen Noli for Lucky Bhaskar. Best Audiographer Sri Arvind Menon for Gami. Best hope I didn't miss it. Best Choreographer Sri Ganesh Acharya for Devra. Best Art Director Sri Adnitin Jihani Chaudhary for Kalki. Best Action Choreographer Sri K. Chandrasekhar Rathod for Gangster. Best Makeup Artist Sri Nalla Srinu for Razakar. Best Costume Designer Sri Archana Rao and Sri Ajay Kumar for Kalki. And ఇప్పుడు Special Jury Awards. So the Special Jury Award goes to actor Sri Dulquer Salman for Lucky Bhaskar, and second Special Jury Award goes to Ananya Nagala Potel. Special Jury Award goes to Sri Sujit and Sri Sandeep, directors for film Kha. Special Jury Award goes to Sri Prashant Reddy and Sri Rajesh Kallepalli for Raju Yadav. And for Raju Yadav, jury special mention. So ikkada special mention undi kabatti Miss Faria Abdullah for Mattu Vadalara 2 rap song. So these are the awards. Like
I request Books Committee ni